one of our TR7 consumer models. This came directly from our inventory this month. We have 3 sets of billiard balls weighing in at 21 pounds. This particular test is going to go for 1 month. The hour meter will start when we push start, and it'll continue through as we go through every cycle until that 1 month. 3 in the morning, 7 o'clock at night, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all throughout the work week it's going to be running. It is set up exactly as it would have been outside of the box, except for obviously we took the lid off, modified the lid lock, and then we did a little bit of work on the controls to get it to go through our Lifecycle test. And so what that means is it's going to go through every cycle, heavy duty, then permanent press, then normal eco, and it'll just continue. So as you check in on the camera, you'll probably see it on different cycles throughout this month. Why don't you get a shot of the inside before we put it in? Ready to watch some billiard balls? Let's go. Good luck.
Hour meter is at 866 hours. You're gonna see a little bit of some deformation to the tub just because of the centrifugal force from all the balls. Other than that, the rest of the machine should be perfectly fine. Honestly, I could open it up, it will probably look almost new. You might see a little bit of belt dust just because of being in agitation with that heavy of a load and going back and forth, you will get a little belt dust. But other than that, the suspension, everything should be just fine on this thing. But I will go through it, I will double check to make sure that everything's okay, and we will probably see this machine in one of our other tests coming up in one of the future months.